service map provides instant visibility into your architecture and enables powerful correlation workflows for effective troubleshooting. Looking at the service map, you immediately get a clear visualization of your entire architecture. Each node represents a service, and the connections between them show in real-time communication patterns. On the left, we have powerful filtering capabilities. You can filter by programming language, by cloud provider, by database, by messaging system. Notice how you can see both connected and isolated services. This is particularly valuable when verifying system architecture or troubleshooting connectivity issues, or even pre or post deployment. So let's have a look at some real-world scenarios. I'm going to filter by SQL Server, and I've noticed here quite a high latency on one of my SQL boxes. I can click on here and I can go directly into that database overview. And here we can see instantly those rich visualizations, those key metrics, query success and failure. We've got our top 5 query failures, and then top query operations by table. So we can really get a look at what's going wrong. We can see our failure percentage is quite high. Let's go and have a look at our operations tab. Again, we've got those key characteristics, visualizations of our metrics. We've got our comparison feature, so I can compare this to a day ago, and I can sort by total errors. I can see we're up 14% on one, so let's go have a look at this. This is bringing us in to that statement or database query that was ran. And we can sort by the longest duration. We can click in and investigate this further. This has brought us into our span view, our connected services here. So we can see the Lambda function is running a Python script or program, and that is connecting into our database. We can see here this rich metadata on the right-hand side. We can see the database statement. We can see there's an error code there, and we can see more descriptions down here. So what we've just done there is we have went from a high-level service and drilled down into the actual issue itself. So it's a really great correlation capabilities here of Coralogix APM.